long form of periodic table. See, it is the periodic table which we actually are using nowadays. Now, this long form of periodic table is actually, we have reached to this table after going through the number of classifications of the elements, and Mendeleev is, of course, is one of the major contribution which he has done. Now, after Mendeleev's periodic law and Mendeleev's periodic table, it was Mosley in 1912 who came out with this system that basically it is the atomic number which on the basis on which the properties of the elements depends. Actually, he was doing an X-ray experiment on the metals, and he was studying the radiation which are coming out of those when the X-rays was striking the metal and the radiation which are coming out of it. It was observed that it is basically the atomic number which is the more fundamental property for any elements, and all the properties of the elements are the functions of their atomic number and not the mass. So Mosley in 1912 modified the Mendeleev's periodic table or periodic law as modern periodic law. Now this modern periodic law states that the properties of the elements are the function of their atomic number and not atomic mass. So it is the Z which is the symbol of the atomic number which determines the element's properties, and it is not the atomic mass. And on the basis of this modern periodic law, our long form of periodic table is based, and many other scientists like Bohr, Bury, Warner, they all worked together and they came out with this modern periodic table, long form of periodic table. Now, in this periodic table, I'll give you a general idea. Now, this modern periodic table or long form of periodic table this table has 18 vertical column called groups. They were numbered from 1 to 18.